Jisseki. We use this when talking about work and business, test scores, and company sales. Jisseki. 仕事やビジネス、テストの点数、会社の売上の話でよく使います。It is used as a noun. It means the proven, recorded results you have achieved so far. That's 実績。これまでの成果や結果の記録のこと。実際に出した数字や出来事を指すよ。The first kanji means truth and also fruit. It feels like something real and solid. You see it in jikken and jitsuryoku. Think of results that are real, not ideas. The second kanji means achievement and results. It shows the idea of spun threads adding up into output. You see it in seiseki and gyoseki. Think of work that leaves measurable outcomes. This company has a proven track record. この会社は実績がある。この会社は実績がある。He had a great track record in sales. 彼は営業で高い実績を出した。彼は営業で高い実績を出した。We are gradually building up our track record. 私たちは実績を少しずつ積んでいます。私たちは実績を少しずつ積んでいます。Please show me last year's results. 去年の実績を見せてください。去年の実績を見せてください。The most common synonyms of the word are seika and gyoseki. Seika is the result itself from effort, while gyoseki is numbers or performance in business. Jisseki overlaps both, focusing on a proven record over time. The most common antonym of the word is shibbai. It highlights failures or things that did not work, while jisseki is about positive, proven results.